All right, folks, how to use a double lane or two lane roundabout properly, real quick before we drive through the roundabout. All right, if it's two lanes or a two lane roundabout or a double lane roundabout, usually you're gonna see a pedestrian zone right before you enter and a pedestrian zone right before you exit. Make sure you're stopping for pedestrians. All right, they have the right of way, you gotta yield. Also, traffic that's inside the roundabout, cars that are already inside making their circles, they have the right of way, you gotta yield to them. Only when it's safe you are to enter. Now, if you're looking to take the first exit on a roundabout, meaning the one to the right, you can be in the right lane only. Make up your mind where you want to exit and then dedicate yourself to one lane. If you're in the right lane, you can exit to the first exit to the right. Right before you approach the exit, you're gonna indicate right and you're gonna exit. If you want to exit on the second exit, which is straight ahead of you, you can be in the right lane and in the left lane. Again, you're gonna indicate to the right before you approach the exit. And the third exit, you can be only in the left lane. You can't be in the right lane. So make sure you're in the left lane if you're looking to exit all the way to the left. Obviously, counterclockwise direction in a roundabout. Hopefully you get that. If you're looking to come all the way around and make a U-turn, you can only be in the left lane. So again, same concept. You're gonna exit and you're gonna indicate right before you exit. All right, now that we went over that, couple tips. Do not change lanes inside the roundabout. You have to make up your mind where you want to go before you approach the roundabout. All right, either you're in the right lane, which exits first exit, second exit, left lane, second exit, third exit, U-turn. Also, yield to pedestrians when you're entering and exiting. Let's go. I want to make a U-turn and come back the same way where I came from. I'm going to yield to traffic. Look out for pedestrians. There's nobody walking. All right, and it's safe for me to go. See, I was in the left lane. I'm gonna go all the way around and make a U-turn. Do not go into the right lane. Stay in the left lane if you're making a U-turn. And indicate. And exit. See that pedestrian zone? There was nobody walking. All right, I'm going to enter the roundabout. I want to go straight or take the second exit. I can be in this lane, which is the right lane, or I can be in the left lane as well. I decided to be in the right lane. You notice how they're slowing down, yielding to traffic that's already inside a roundabout. Okay, so I'm gonna slow down, no pedestrians. There's a pedestrian zone, and I can enter. And I'm looking to take the second exit. I'm going to indicate, and I'm gonna take the exit. I'm looking to go left or the third exit. This is a single lane, so it's quite simple. You're obviously gonna only be in this lane and can only be in this lane. Yield to traffic that is inside the roundabout. There's no pedestrian zone. All right, nobody there, I can go. I'm gonna all the way around, all the way around, all the way around, and exit. Again, single lane roundabout. I want to go right, yield to traffic, and go. It's safe. Indicate and exit.